Look at this shit. I went to bed at 4 o'clock this morning. I think it's probably 2 right now. Maybe 2:30. 4 o'clock this morning, there was nothing. It was clear outside. Hell, I was outside walking around. Now there's this. See if I can do this so I get my camera wet. It'll be hard. We had to move all the vehicles that could move to the back field because the trees are just popping and cracking and falling around. There's tree limbs falling every about 5 minutes. There's tree limbs falling. We moved both our four-wheel drives to the field. My Dodge is back here. It didn't have no problem. Oh fuck! It's scary out here because you never know what fucking limb's gonna fall on you. Actually, I had my trailer up there and hooked my truck to it and backed it up here. No problemo with the Dodger. And there's my Dodge and my wife's Subaru, which also has no problem in this shit. Two badass vehicles, in my opinion. Here's how deep the snow is. Let's see if I can get you eyeball view. It's over my shoe. It's over my shoe, and the problem is it's thick. It's like heavy. It's that heavy wet snow. I mean, it's falling fucking crazy thick, which is why it's taking the trees down so bad. And the tree limbs will definitely be without power here before long. This guy fucked up and didn't buy a generator. Guess what? I went to Wally World last night, not to really look for a generator, but to look for another power source. Generator sold out. If you want to sell a fucking $1 million generator, you wait till a blizzard comes. Somebody will buy the motherfucker. Fortunately, my Eclipse is at the mercy of the clearing here. Hopefully that's going to be alright because it ain't going anywhere. You can just hear them popping and cracking around here. Trees. I gotta go take a shower because we fill the tub up with water because, you know, then you have a whole tub full of water when the electricity goes out. I'll check it out here in a bit. Shit right there is 4x4 only. I've seen a few cars go by today. There's limbs all over the daggone road. I hear somebody coming. It's like a big diesel. Shit is deep on the road. It's deep everywhere. See this guy coming. Look at his van. Oh, it's a tractor. Oh, fuck. That's how we get out around here, rolling tractors. Shoot, yeah. Indiana for you. Can't get out in your car, get out in your tractor. Like a boss. Oh no, here comes some vehicles. Oh, it's another fucking tractor. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot, yeah! It's awesome. Or a Jeep. Or a county boy. Damn, all kinds of traffic. Got the camera out just the right time. Ah, tractors must be going with the county boys. Yeah, trying to plow the snow a little bit. Awesome. Look, Roland, you were right. I do have to get my saw out. I got some trees on my property hanging down on the road. Looking better now because I moved one of them, kind of took some snow off, but they're like right in the middle of the fucking road hanging down. Cause problems. Coming up a damn hill. Crack, crack, pop.
I hear a car coming.
Well, we can get out of the road. That's much better. Chainsaws. Gotta have them out here in the middle of nowhere. Well, at least nobody might have a wreck, man. Shit. Yes, you're welcome, county boys. Put ashes on top of my hill. Had a guy in a front wheel drive down there just burning. I gave him a push with my hand. Felt pretty tough actually, because it actually moved better. Then he got to my ash up here and got going better. But then we noticed, you see that antifreeze he's leaking all the way up the road. So I know he ain't gonna make it up the next hills. Hell, this one ain't as bad as the next two. He's gonna be in trouble. Alright folks, it's been a day since the last little clip of this video. We didn't have any power for over 24 hours. It got down to 30 degrees in my house. Like, you walk in, you can see your breath. We got power about 1 o'clock last night. It's about 3 now. Down over there is a lane that goes back to my mother-in-law's house. And the power, they have no power back that lane. And the electric company is actually down that lane and stuck. And they're not too happy right now. But I gotta dig out my wife's car. I feel like crap.